Hello and welcome back to Supermarket Cooking. Today we're cooking salmon with the red Thai curry sauce. We're not cooking it from scratch. It is a supermarket bought sauce, but it smells amazing and it looks like this. Okay, so we can just start cooking. I have this salmon here. It's the very healthy Atlantic salmon. Ironically, it's in the plastic. So if you can avoid buying something which is in the plastic in your local supermarket, it's probably gonna be better for the environment. But that's what I've got here today. And also for the curry, I'm using this sauce, which is literally available everywhere in Britain in every supermarket. It's a bit pricey, I know, but it tastes really good. One day I will show the recipe how I am making red curry from scratch, but today for the speed of the dish we will just use the curry which we already have. Okay, so remember we are cooking from London, but please comment under this video where you're watching from and if there are any interesting ingredients available in your local supermarket. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unpack every piece of salmon. I will move the sauce a little bit and the water over here just to clean up the space. We don't need any of my wonderful machines today because we don't really need to brown the fish. We can just cut it and put it in the oven-proofed dish. Now remember this salmon is not frozen. If you are cooking from frozen, you need to reduce the amount of water we will use, but I will show you where and how. Right. Okay, we can just evenly spread it and put some spices on it. This is with the salt, so you need to watch how much salt you need. But you probably don't need too many spices due to the sauce being spicy already, but it's so individual. I like my dishes spicy. Just gonna open. Until it clicks, and we're just going to pour the sauce on top. Now you probably already noticed that I am using water with my cooking. The reason I'm doing this because those sauces, they are brilliant and they are really thick, so I don't want them to get any thicker. So what I do, when you are using those sauces on a frying pan, you can control how thick they're getting, but if it is in the oven, you can't control it, so you need to add a little bit of fluid which will vaporize, and then the sauce will remain as thick as it's supposed to be. So as a general rule, I add about half of the can of water and just wash with that. We don't need to mix it, we don't need to do anything. When the sauce is going to be boiling, it will mix itself. So this is the beauty of cooking in an oven. And this maybe spread it just a little bit. Just a little bit. Look at this. Okay, so it's now even, it's all good, and we will put it in the oven for my favorite temperature, about 200 to 110 degrees. Again, it comes from your oven. You will probably want to play with the temperature a little bit, and I will put it in the oven for maybe 20 or 30 minutes. Basically, all it has to do is to boil. Once the sauce is boiling, it's ready. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in the oven. Right? So it's boiling, 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 boiling. Right, I think it's ready. So let's just take it out of the oven. Look, 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 it's boiling, 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 boiling. And we put it on here. And I'll just take a little bite. It smells delicious. Smacznego.